Sefako, I sent you 200 CDs and then you didn't come. I left Linda at the shop, waited for you, and then you didn't show up. You know that the money where I sent give you can be her money for the week. You have really disappointed me. You will send me back my money. Is that what you're telling me? Hey, I don't know how to go. Today they are dying for Linda and him to be there too.
Hey, Daddy, you died. Say 200 CDs give woman. Wonderful.
You can what be on? Make her think. You.
Fill up for the day.
Song get your kicks on no time, my brother. We gone. You know, me a grow no more. We no fi waste time for no pagan brothers. No more. They go see we for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh. They go follow man, them go, for countryside. If be there, they go see we, oh.
Why?
It's too loud.
This is not your home.
And this place is not a club.
I don't know how you find a way to hit on all the billions of nerves in my body.
It's a case.
From Satan, I guess. What do you want? To be trying from now.
But I can't give you agenda number 203. And you're calling me a liar.
Okay.
Maybe they do that, I don't tell you anything again. You don't say the whole wood. Me, I give authentic views. Then you get up, then you do your way some way. Make a boy, you drop 10 CDs.
I don't have 10 cities.
Hey, the boys give 20 CDs for Richard's news.
State category.
Business and relationship.
Source.
That's business account.
Process of verification.
Visuals and sound.
Confidentiality.
Yes, confidentiality oath.
I, Linda.
Do swear.
That I will.
Keep this information to myself. And myself only. You know, say, what's up? You drop it.
Master, you for respect yourself.
You should give me the money already.
How much you give?
I will
double up. How much you give?
Hey, it's first come, first serve.
Hey, do you have me that wins?
You want to die? Give me that.
Hey. Charlie, what did you talk? Charlie, Richard, come to this.
Linda, stop that thing. Stop the silence. Quiet down.
Linda, Charlie. Why?
Give me the money so you can keep the news, or tell me so you can keep the
If I die, I'll worry.
Hey, baby, not trying. In case of it, I pay you finish.
If I die, I'll worry, Richard. Charlie, why you do? Why you have to go tell me to go down to 200 CD?
Hey.
Check out.
Whom did you give 200?
I didn't give any 200 to 21. I will also.
You know, say they kill me. As they kill me, you
I'm paying you finish. I will. You sucks and give you money. Why would you? Yeah, what I can.
Hey. When you guys are done, you tell me who the lady is.